temperature, and humidity sensor. The RF LoRa humidity and temperature sensor detects atmospheric moisture levels and the changes in temperature, which is essential for environmental monitoring. It is used in conjunction with RF Solutions RIoT-Hub to wirelessly monitor in real time via a smartphone device or PC. You can also set trigger levels to directly activate a local RF receiver unit and get alert notifications sent to a smart device wherever the preset trigger levels are exceeded.
Temperature and humidity can significantly affect the durability, performance, and safety of infrastructure. Here's how they impact various components. Extreme temperature variations cause materials like concrete, steel, and asphalt to expand and contract. Over time, this leads to cracks, deformations, and structural fatigue. In bridges and buildings, these stresses can weaken joints, resulting in costly repairs. High humidity accelerates the corrosion of metals like steel and iron, compromising their strength. In coastal regions, where salty air is present, this corrosion becomes even more aggressive, posing an even greater threat to infrastructure.